Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Form 2 UT Practice, and this is practice 2. And if we have time, of course we will also go through practice 3 and all the others. So this one first. Practice 2 is basically this kind of it. You will be given one of the value and then you have to find the other one. For example, here you are given that b equals to -3, and this one a is expressed by this whole thing, and then here do you see a b here? You also see a b here, right? So b is replaced by -3. So we do that, change the values directly. So a, nothing changed. B, we are changing to -3. If it's a new thing, it's better to add a bracket +5 over 2 bracket -3. Okay, now how do I click calculator this one if you can't do it in hard? Because this is hard, of course. The upside is still doable. -3 plus 5. It's basically like 5 minus 3, which is 2. And at the bottom, bracket means times. So 2 times 3, 6. Numbers times with numbers. And then negative and positive here. So it becomes negative in the end. But that's not our focus. How about if I do with calculator? How do I do that? Well, I will still suggest that calculate the numerator, that means the upside, and the denominator separately first. So you can click this whole thing in calculator. Open bracket, -3, close bracket, +5, and you'll be able to get that as 2. And then 2 bracket -3. You'll be able to get that as -6. Now your next step is to see, can they be further simplified? Yes, they can be simplified by 2. So your final answer is -1/3. Negative, if it's on down, you can also put it on top or even on the side. It's all up to you. Anywhere is okay. Negative can be changing to any places. But then since we already found that on the denominator, if your negative is there, the answer is A. Okay, good. Now try to digest it, pause the video, see if you can do it on your own. Replace b by -3, and then do the numerator separately, denominator separately, and then see if they can be further simplified. You can also click calculator directly for this one. 2 over means the ABC sign, 2 over -6, and see what do you get. You will still get -1/3. Now you can pause the video and try question 2 and 3, of course. So back, hopefully you have paused. I'm not sure, of course I'm not watching you guys, so it's up to you if you want to pause or not. Now this time m is expressed by this whole thing, okay? And then we now know that there is an n in this expression, right? And then the value of n is 2. So, and then in the end I have to find the value of m. How do I do that? N is 2. So that means wherever there's n, I can replace it by 2. Okay, even bottom, if it's stick together, that means it's multiplied. So that's our m. And then of course do the numerator and denominator separately. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 times 2, bracket means times, so 2 times 2, 4. Can they be further simplified? Nothing, right? They can't be. They already at the most simplified version. So that's your final answer. Easy peasy. Now let's continue then. Next one. This time you're given that your t is -4. Where is t? T is here, t is here. So you replace these parts. So r we don't know. T is replaced by -4, -3, 4, -4. Now I'm not putting a bracket here because it's on the very front one, so it doesn't make any differences unless there is a negative sign in front. Then it will make a difference. That means it's not the most front one. Okay, and then you can click calculator or you can do it in hard. -4 -3. You're already at the bottom under the ground, -4, and then now you're going 3 more steps down. So where are you now? Yes, -7. At the bottom, 4 times 4, 16. So it is -16. And can I simplify anything? Of course I can, because there's a negative on both sides. So you can simplify them. How about the numbers? Can 7 be simplified by anything else? Nope. So that is your final answer, 7/16. Okay, good. If it's good, then let's just continue then. Next one. What are we given? K is -6. Where is the K? K is here. K is here. Oops. And also K here. So you replace the K by -6 this time. So J equals to -6 plus 3, 5 bracket -6. Can you do the numerator for me now? -6, you're going up 3 steps. So you're at -3. How about bottom? 5 times 6 is 30. So -30. Can I simplify anything? Yes, the negative signs first. How about the numbers this time? One is 3, the other one is 30. Can they be simplified by something? Yes, by 1 and 10. So your final answer is 1/10. Of course, you can click calculate a -3 over -30. You will still get 1/10 in the end. But if you can do in hard, that's a better thing, right? Okay, now the last one for practice 2. N is now given as 7. Where are the N? Here and here. So you can replace the N by 7. Am I doing it correctly? Yes, because I have N here, so I replace it by 7. 7 plus 2 over 7 bracket 7. Bracket means times. So just continue it. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 times 7 is 49. Can they be further simplified? Can they? Of course, no, they cannot be. So that is your final answer. All right. So hopefully this practice 2, it's not that hard for you guys. And we'll get back to the other practices very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and see you guys soon in next video. Hopefully this was a good one for you guys and not too hard, because this is 2 marks as well. Most probably in MC. I'm not sure as well. I forgot actually. So this is 2 marks. The upper one, the previous one, the number line one, that was also 2 marks. You can guarantee yourself 4 marks if you know these 2 practices. Okay, so see you in next video.